Okay. I don't need to say nothing. Y'all see the material. Look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, y'all. So I have in the hair. Now, y'all know this is my favorite texture. Curly hair. Look at this. So gorgeous. The hair is so pretty. I love the way that this hair looks on me. I have my pins in it right now, but I love the pent up look on the side, like with the two braids and stuff. I love the way that this looks. This is perfect for the warmer weather. You know, we like to have our curly hair in, honey, that can get wet. It's just so nice. I love the length. I love everything about this hair. Y'all know, I tell y'all all the time, this is my favorite curly hair. I know how much y'all like it, but this hair is just so easy. It's full, but it's not like too big. I love it. It's like perfect for me. I love this curly hair. The parting is very deep. Let me take these clamps out. I'm just so excited about this hair, if y'all can't tell. Here is the lace. I have to melt it just a little bit more on the side, but this is how the lace looks. And you know, the lace goes from here to here because it's a 7 by 5. And look at the deep parting. So now this unit also has the drawstring in the back. Drawstring is my personal favorite. I like the drawstring better than the combs. It's just a more comfortable fit, and you can adjust your wig how tight or how loose you want it, and I personally love that feature. So let me just show y'all how it looks. I cannot get over this wig. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is the drawstring. Let me just clip over here. So this is the drawstring here, and it has this little black tab at the bottom, and you just pull it just like this. I'm gonna turn to the side so y'all can see it a little bit better. You just pull it and pull it as tight or as loose, and then you can just tuck this part under, and your wig is secure. I love when the girls wear the curly hair with the braids. I don't know how to braid, so I can't do it. But if you wanted to, let me just show y'all the deep parting throughout. So you guys can part it. If you want to do a side part, you can do that. Y'all know I'm a middle part girl, so that's what we're gonna rock with. This hair, they make it so easy for you. So this is straight out of the box. You can wear it glueless. It's already pre-cut for you. It is also pre-plucked. Look at that. Just, this wig is so good. So I'm gonna take my little comb right here and just comb some of the curls out just so you guys can see. Look at that. Look at the curls. I don't have to say much. Now you guys see why this is my favorite texture. And look at this. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit of wax just to make sure that my part stays in place, because I did have to repart it a little bit. And I'm not gonna use my hot comb or anything. Y'all, this hair is okay. I don't need to say nothing. Y'all see the material. Look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Y'all remember my old thumbnail picture and I had this style and everybody went crazy. Y'all need to get this unit. This is the length. The length is so pretty. I didn't comb out the curls in the back, but this is the length. And then I'll wet just one side because I like the way that this looks, just the natural state. But a little bit of mousse just on one side so you guys can see, and not too much because it's just so pretty. Like, I am gagging over this. Look at this. And you cannot tell me this is not beautiful hair. So this is the difference between the side that doesn't have any product and then the side that does have the product. And I didn't drench it down either, so you know, if you wet it, the curls will be more defined, but I like the way that this looks over here. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. get this wig.